somebody worth all your time.
This is not sponsored whatsoever. This is not sponsored, okay? I'm going to use my Bioelements Decongest. Best. I always mess up, but try your best to just use these two fingers and not these two like I am right now. Might not be the best way, but this way works best. I'm using the Bioelements measured micrograins. I'm gonna grab a little bit, put a little bit on. And you might need less than this, but I just if you invest in this, it lasts you forever, and this is not even the big one. I'll wet my fingers, and then I'll just grab them and go like this. Circle motions. If your fingers start to get dry as you're rubbing this on, just wet them again. You might need to wet them like 2-3 times. So this, you have to scrub it for at least 5 minutes. And I forgot to mention, before you do all this, make sure your hands are clean, because then if they're not, you will create more pores. You'll let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. Okay, so the 10 minutes have passed, and now I'm gonna rinse this off. This is my face after everything I just did. I don't know if you guys can tell. I can kind of tell that this side looks a lot better already. And this side does too. Like, as of right now though, I'm going to be using the Absolute Moisturizer by Bioelements. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you guys can see that good. Okay. This is lightweight facial moisturizer specifically for combination skin, which is what I have. So I'm going to apply this. A little bit goes a very long way. I really hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Somebody real is hard to find. Somebody worth